removed from its resting place after 26 years. What the?
The way that I did for the headers, and it turned out to actually be like a good plan.
Oh, really?
I was like, I went for the middle first because the small ones, so we could just cut the holes in. Are you videoing me?
I just start recording. Hi, Jack.
Hello, you special.
We're dealing with header gasket today because it's an AMC 360 in a Jeep.
Indubitably.
And we spent like 2.5 hours that we had to stop to do the gaskets because they're individual pieces. And it rained.
Ow, ow, ow.
Oh.
I know how they get the cars in the malls, but I'm not going to tell you. Just then eat the brown part of the banana. The last thing I want to do is my hand to slip and just shear off a spark plug.
Oh, you're fine.
No, I don't like the direct.
I was like that when I was taking it off, and I didn't have an issue with it. I was just like, whatever. It's there, existing. The question is, who can get their side done first? Spark plug wires are back on. Getting ready to hear this thing. This thing got a hog gas cam in it.
Hog.
Hog?
Crank that hog.
Crank that hog. Let's hear it, house.
What cancer?
You pulled off the right hose, right? Yes. Alright. Just want to make sure.
Yeah, because I accidentally took it on when I was first.
I was going to say, I thought you did at first. I was like, let's close this up. It looks like it's starting to rain already.
Yeah, that's true.
Ooh, that's not fun. Don't forget to remove the chalk if you haven't yet.
Oh yeah, where's that at?
Chalk?
Wheel chalk?
The wheel chalk?
Wheel chalk. Chalk.
Wheel chalk.
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 Chalk, not chalk.
Chalk. I think the grenade shifter is a great touch.
Thank you.
You driving up a headlamp?
No.
It's the only light we got.
It's like Jurassic Park in here.
Wait, so does that mean since I'm on this side that I'm the dinosaur that kills him?
No, but there's a fire extinguisher under your seat. I want to make you aware you are the designated firefighter.
Oh, okay, I'm fine with that.
Do your wipers work?
Yeah. Oh.
No.
Yes.
Well, the wipers work.
It sounds so.
But, this fucking thing. Don't, we gotta fix that tomorrow. Oh, okay. Okay.
It's just gonna keep popping up.
Yeah, whatever. You're also the designated oil checker. Oil pressure checker. Whatever. Alright, let's see how.
Would that be the one that is going in and out?
See?
Oh.
No mount for that thing.
Doing the David Fry burger with no shoes.
Yes. No exhaust leak, which is nice, Dylan, so we did.
Yes, sir. No exhaust leak.
Yeah, I need to figure that out.
believe the culprit was a tiny little vacuum leak.
Yeah.
Might need to go a little size bigger or something.
That'll do it. That doesn't look like the right size to
It's not the right size.
Do we have anything a step up?
A step up? It looks like we got like 2 steps up. But let's try it.
Well,
Actually.
That
Press.
honestly looks like it'd be fine.
I mean,
It's too, the thing is, when it's too tight, eventually it'll crack and break.
Oh.
Hey, I told you that quarter turn. It just pop it up high again. No fucking bubbles. Huh? You're gonna make it more rich by doing it to the left.
I wouldn't touch that.
What's that?
Oh, there's no hanger.
well,
Uh-oh. Fucking 2 spark plug wires.
Ouch!
you are not posting that shit on YouTube.
I'm amazed it sounded like that on 6. That just popped.
Not when I adjust that cart back.
Sounds more like it's supposed to.
Now that sounds pretty good.
Careful, cop.
You'll get to get the full cruise eventually, though. Right now, I'm just gonna make it back. It's late. I have to bolt close. Take care of the fence.
Okay, some minor popping, but
Tell the people, what is this? What's it powered by?
It's AMC powered. It's a 77 Jeep CJ5. Weighs practically nothing and has an AMC 360 in it with a cam.
It sounds like it.
Just a 3-speed factory.
Oh, it's a 3-speed.
It is a 3-speed. It was gonna have a 4-speed, but unfortunately the transmission I was going to put in it had a broken ear, so.
And what's this that's parked behind it?
This is my 1964 Cutlass F85 with a 455 big block and TH400 that have only 3 miles on it.
Really?
Everything looks like crap, but it's a cool car. Yeah, one of the cylinders looked absolutely pristine. That's how I know for sure that it only had 3 miles on it, but it sat in the grass in a field in New Jersey. Unfortunately, moisture got up the headers and into the open exhaust valves in some of the cylinders, so we have to address the pretty heavy rust in some of the cylinders, which sucks, but...
That does suck. But
Oh yeah, man.